National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Boone County and north central Illinois, northeastern DeKalb County and north central Illinois, northern Kane County and northeast Illinois, southern McHenry County and northeast Illinois until 11:15 a.m. At 10:25 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Belvidere and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Genoa, Sleepy Hollow, Algonquin, Elgin, Carpentersville, Hampshire, Huntley, Gilbert, Lake in the Hills, West Dundee, Burlington, Kingery Grove, and Cary. Other locations affected, Boone County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is
Yes.